Good morning, children. Come to our next session, grammar, kinds of nouns. In the previous classes, we completed and we understood that singular and plural nouns. How do we use that? Second session, we understood that masculine and feminine nouns. That also we understood. Now we are going to learn that proper and common nouns. Proper and common nouns. What are the proper and common nouns? Okay, children, now we are going to learn that. Proper nouns are special names for particular persons or things. The proper noun is, the definition is, proper noun proper nouns are special, special, special names for particular person or things. The definition of proper noun is, proper nouns are special names for particular persons or things. That means proper nouns means special name. In your home, your name is there. You have a name. Your parents are calling you that name only. When many people are gathering there, your parent is calling your name, you will be respond. You will respond first. That means a particular name. Your father's name, your father is particular. Your mother is particular. Your classroom is particular. And your bag is particular. Children? So that we will say the particular names means that the proper nouns. Proper nouns means particular noun. Others do not have the name. Children? For the example, we are seeing that Charminar. Only one Charminar is there. Okay, we are going to Charminar means we are going to the proper place. But we are going to city. City means many places, included the city. So that is the other name, common name. That is not comes under the proper name. So Charminar, your class 5, your class 4, class 3, they are the proper nouns. Okay. Now see the examples, children. Then names of some towns, we are saying that towns. The next cities, rivers, then buildings, the next days of the week, so these are the proper nouns. These categories will comes under the proper nouns. One more thing, children. A proper noun always start with or begins with a capital letter. Here, a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. When you are writing your name or any famous place's name, any famous person's name, we should write with the capital letter. We should start the name with the capital letter. Isn't it? First letter should be the capital letter. Now see the examples, children. Here they are asking that 3 cities. We should write 3 cities name. Here Hyderabad. 3 cities. See, H should be the capital letter. That means Hyderabad. Then Mumbai. Then Delhi. Here we write Chennai or Madras. Here 3 cities, children. H, M, D. D-E-L-H-I. Delhi. So, first letter should be the capital letters. When we are writing the cities or places name, Kukatpalli, we should write the K capital letter. So, we should write first letters should be the capital letter. Then next, here asking that 3 rivers. That Ganga river, the next Godavari river, the next, or you can write Krishna river. Here asking 3 rivers name, children. Ganga, G is capital. Godavari, G is capital letter, and Krishna, K is capital letter. Whenever we are writing the famous river's name, we should write the first letter capital. These are the proper noun. There is no other name like. Then next, number 3. 3 countries. C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S. Countries. They are asking 3 countries name. You know, India, America, then you can write Australia or Africa. These are the proper examples of proper nouns. India, America, Africa, New Zealand, then many countries are there. First letter capital I, capital A, capital A. So these also we should write the first letter capital letters. Then next, number 4. Fourth exercise, fourth one is 3 famous men. 3 famous men. You know famous men 3. Dr. Ambedkar, Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru. Many are the freedom fighters also are there. So they will be famous men and their first letter should be the capital. Gandhi, G-A-N-D-H-I, Gandhi. Then Nehru, N-E-H-R-U, Nehru. Then next, Dr. Ambedkar. See, children, these are the famous men's name. Gandhi, G is capital, Nehru, N is capital, and Dr. Ambedkar, D, and here we are mentioning doctor. DR means doctor. The D, R, and Ambedkar, A also capital letters. Then next, number 5, 3 famous buildings. They are asking 3 famous buildings that Golden Temple, temple. Second one, Birla Mandir, Birla Mandir. And Charminar, we can write Charminar. Here, three famous buildings: Golden Temple, Birla Mandir, and Charminar. Here also G capital, B capital, and C capital. These are the examples of proper nouns. Once again, children, the proper nouns are special names of any particular persons or things. Examples: towns, cities, rivers, buildings, and days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, that also. Then a proper nouns always begins with the capital letter. So this is the very important thing, children. Whenever you are writing a proper noun, that means your name, person's name, so first letter should be the capital letter. Here examples are three cities. First, Hyderabad, Madras, Delhi. H, M, D are capital letters. The next three rivers. These are the proper noun. The examples of proper noun. Proper nouns, they have the proper noun. The others do not have these names. Okay. Ganga, Godavari, and Krishna. G, G, and K are capital letters. The next three countries: India, America, Africa. Here also first letters are capital letters. The next fourth section, three famous men: Gandhi, Nehru, Dr. Ambedkar. There is no other persons. Gandhi, Nehru, and Dr. Ambedkar. So that is the proper, best example of the proper nouns. Here also G, N, and A are capitals. The next three famous buildings: Golden Temple, Birla Mandir, and Charminar. Here G is capital, B is capital, and C is capital. Whenever we write a proper noun, we should write the first letter capital letter. Now we understood that the proper nouns. Now we are going to learn the common nouns. Before we saw that the definition of proper nouns. Okay, now we are saying that common nouns. Common nouns. What is common nouns? It is, common nouns are the names that can be used for all persons or things of the same kind. For examples: man, book, tree, flower, etc. etc. So children, here we understood that the proper noun, only one name they have. Here common nouns are the names that can be used for all persons All persons means father, mother. Others father, others mother. That is a common noun. But your father is particular. That means proper. The next, or things. Box. Many boxes are there. Schools. Many schools are there. But your school's name, that is the proper. Hospitals. Many hospitals are there. Many shops are there. But we are saying about a shop, that is the proper noun. Here this is, we are saying now, common noun. Shops, cinema halls, hospitals. Then next, same kind, days, many days, weekdays, that also common. Here man, many persons are there. Ladies, gents, sir, ma'am, boys, girls, the doctors, these are the common name. Then book. You have many books in your bag, so we will say that is common noun. But we are saying the English book or maths book, that is the proper. So let's see the difference between proper and common. Common noun is book, but the proper noun is English book, maths book, EVS book. That is comes under the proper noun. Then flower. Flowers also comes under the common noun. But we can say the rose flower, sunflower, that is particular noun or proper noun. In the rose also we can say yellow rose flower, red rose flower, white rose flower, that is particular. That is particular. But rose flower, flower, that also common. Here trees. Many trees are there. Trees we are saying in the common noun. But banyan tree, coconut tree, then tamarind tree, many trees we can see. That is neem tree. These are the common noun, proper noun. Tree is common noun, etc. So we can say like. But here we are saying that examples 5 articles of food. Articles of food. 5 things which we are using for food. What are they? Egg. Egg we are using. The next, milk we are using. The next, meat we are using. Rice we are using. Then vegetables we are using. These are the 5 articles. Vegetables. Okay. Egg, milk, meat, rice and vegetables. These are common now. Then is number 2. Number 2. Five articles of dress. 5 articles of dress. What are the children? Shirt. We are using shirt. Frock. Girls are wearing frock. The next, shorts. Shorts. Then skirt, sari or socks, S-O-C-K-S, socks. These are the 5 articles of dress. Then third category, we are saying that third one, 5 classroom object. Five things you can see in your classroom. What are the children? Book, board. You can see the fan also in your classroom. Fan, bench, desk. These are the classroom things. Okay, now we understood that the common noun. What is the common noun? Common nouns are the names that can be used for all persons or things for the same kind. For example, man, book, flower, tree, etc. Classes, hospitals, park, shops, that also comes under the common noun. For examples, we are seeing here 5 articles of food: egg, milk, meat, rice, vegetables. Then 5 articles of dress: shirt, frock, shorts, skirt and socks. Third one, 5 classroom objects: book, board, fan, bench, desk. These are the common noun, examples of common noun, children. Now we understood that singular and plural nouns, masculine and feminine nouns, and proper and common nouns. We understood the categories or kinds of nouns. Okay, children, write these examples in the classwork book, homework book also, and learn well. Thank you.